Hello guys, welcome. So today we learn how to blend image and text together as you see in this design. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to duplicate this design firstly, and then I'm going to delete every other thing. I'm going to delete the right top there. Smart white. So then let's copy the image only and put there, and then we edit it very fast. Okay, so I've copied the image. I'm just going to paste. So I have our image, and now we have our text. So this one work. So we're going to just duplicate this text right here. Bring it down. Then write smart. Now smart. So to blend the text, to blend the image and the text, all you have to do is send this text backward to the back of the image. So we go send backward, right, and then you put this other text. You bring the text again, bring another one to the front like this, and now you're going to go to your effects, and then you're going to go to follow, right, and then you're going to reduce the thickness of the follow. Let's reduce it to like let's say plus 16. Now align it properly so they match together. See? So that's how easy it is to blend image and text. You can do it any from the left, right, the center, or this like this. You can image and the text together. Thank you so much for watching.